Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me in this video. I'm going to be doing an in-depth review of the Prym Sewing Clips pack of 12. So if you've not already seen my overall video of the 6 best sewing clips on the market, go check that out, it's in the description below. So let's get into looking at these in more depth, shall we? So first thing to note is that these come just on a cardboard backing. You get 12 in a pack. I think you can also get a larger pack, but I'll see if I can find an image of that for you now and put a link in the description. The most notable thing is the colour of these. You get it in 4 colours: purple, pink, red and blue, though that doesn't tend to bother me, whatever colour, I'm happy to use any. At first impression, they don't actually look any different to the others on the market and pretty much work the same as the rest. But there is some slight difference to some of the previous ones I've tested out. So upon closer inspection, the clip itself looks like a small fish. Don't know if you'll be able to see. So it doesn't actually sit flat. There's quite a few others on the market, like the Gabesti that I've looked at, the Wonder Clips by Clover, and even the Aldi sewing clips themselves all have a flat base, which makes it perfect for anyone looking to do quilting and patchwork and wants a nice smooth base at the bottom. These unfortunately don't quite do that. They kind of create a bit of a, depending on how wide they are open, they can tend to cause a ripple in your work. I also found that they're quite tough to open. The spring and the actual clip part is quite firm. So I don't know if these would kind of loosen over time, but something to think about if you struggle with your hands. This is something to think about. Something that I have already also noticed about these clips is that they open 1 centimetre wide, more than enough to fit a couple of layers of fabric in without struggling, and even a thin wadding if you're into patchwork. The only downside is that there are competitors on the market that open wider, or you could look at getting the jumbo clips, which are better suited to quilting and patchwork. One of the benefits of these sewing clips is that the plastic is quite thick. It's quite strong, and so I think even after some rigorous use they would last a long time. The thick plastic also means that even if you stand on them, drop them, use them quite a lot, they are less likely to break under pressure. So I paid £5.73 for these on Amazon, which I think is quite a lot for just a pack of 12. Compared to some of the others on the market, these are quite expensive for what you get. So overall, that makes each clip 47p, which might not seem a lot, but compared to some of the others on the market, it does seem quite high. So overall, I'd give these a good 3 out of 5. They're not bad quality, they're well made, but unfortunately they don't have some of the star qualities that others on the market do. The price is also a little high for what you get. I feel like you could get more for the money elsewhere. Thank you again for joining me on this video. Hope you've liked it. Give it a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.